Hello friends, welcome back to TechGetter Official. If you're trying to launch Roblox on your Windows computer and it's not responding or refusing to open, don't panic. In this video, I'll guide you through some quick and effective steps to fix the issue and get Roblox running again. Step 1. Check Roblox server status. Before fixing anything on your PC, we need to make sure the problem isn't from Roblox's side. Open any web browser and type status.roblox.com. If you see a green message saying all systems operational, then the Roblox servers are fine, meaning the issue is most likely on your computer. Step 2. Restart your PC. A quick restart can close background apps and services that may be interfering with Roblox. Once your PC restarts, move to the next step. Step 3. Run Roblox as administrator. Right-click the Roblox app and select Run as administrator. If Roblox still doesn't launch, continue to the next solution. Step 4. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Click the Windows Start menu. Search, add or remove programs. Find Roblox, click the three dots and select Uninstall. Once it's removed, go to Google and search Roblox Download. Click Download Windows app, and once the download finishes, run the Roblox Player installer. For many users, this step alone fixes the issue. Step 5. Manual AppData fix if the problem continues. Open Start menu and search Run. In the Run box, type %AppData%. Click OK. At the top, click AppData, then open the local folder. Find and open the folder named Roblox. Now open the Versions folder. Open the most recent version folder. Find Roblox Player Launcher.exe and double-click to run it. Make sure you click the launcher, not the installer. And that's it. Your Roblox should now be working smoothly. If you're still facing issues, drop your problem in the comments. I'll do my best to help. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official for more tech fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.